Another day, another story. The Earth is a complex and dynamic planet, with a structure that's been shaped by billions of years of geological activity. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the structure of the Earth, from its outermost layer to its innermost core. The Earth is a complex and dynamic planet, with a structure that's been shaped by billions of years of geological activity. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the structure of the Earth, from its outermost layer to its innermost core. The Earth can be divided into several layers, based on differences in composition and physical properties. The outermost layer is the crust, which is made up of solid rock and is the thinnest layer of the Earth. The crust is divided into two types. Continental crust, which makes up the continents and is generally thicker than oceanic crust. And oceanic crust, which is found beneath the oceans and is thinner and more dense than continental crust. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which is the thickest layer of the Earth. The mantle is made up of solid rock, but it can flow over long periods of time, like a viscous liquid. The mantle is divided into two parts. The upper mantle, which is relatively rigid and extends to a depth of about 400 kilometers. And the lower mantle, which is more ductile and extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. At the center of the Earth is the core, which is divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is a liquid layer of iron and nickel that surrounds the solid inner core. It's believed to be responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is a solid ball of iron and nickel that's under immense pressure and heat. It's the hottest part of the Earth, with temperatures that can reach up to 5,500 degrees Celsius. The structure of the Earth is constantly changing, as the crust moves and plates shift over time. But understanding the basic layers of the Earth is a key part of understanding the planet we live on. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've learned something new about the structure of the Earth.